Hello friends, do you know as per the latest NPCI data of January 2022, once again PhonePe is leading the UPI segment. पर आप सोच रहे होंगे कैसे? So today I am here to discuss how PhonePe is eliminating the competition. PhonePe was founded in December 2015 by Samir Nigam, Rahul Shari and Burzin Engineers, and all three were former employees of Flipkart. The PhonePe app was based on Unified Payment Interface (UPI), went live on August 2016. Within 3 months of launch, the app was downloaded by 1 crore users. A year later, it was acquired by Flipkart. As the time progressed, PhonePe entered in many other areas like investing in mutual funds, buying insurance, gold, silver, and by bringing advanced features such as Switch platform through which we can book tickets for flights, cabs, hotels. Digital payment industry was growing at a moderate pace over time, but COVID-19 has fueled up the industry and it kept going up and up. Along the same lines, PhonePe also accelerated its growth and become the market leader. As per NPCI, National Payment Corporations of India, as on January 2022, PhonePe has done 2,140.28 million transactions valued at 4,05,173.78 crores and captured 45.46% market share in UPI segment. आप सोच रहे होंगे कैसे? इस मार्केट में तो कई और भी बड़े प्लेयर्स मौजूद है जैसे कि गूगल पे, पेटीएम, अमेज़न पे। तो फोन पे ऐसा तो क्या कर रहा है कि इन प्लेयर्स को टफ कंपटीशन भी दे रहा है और मार्केट को लीड भी कर रहा है. So now I will share 3 strategies adopted by PhonePe to eliminate the competition. First strategy is launching the in-app feature stores. It helps to connect local merchants, kirana stores directly with the users, in which user can call, chat, pay and can easily track the location of merchants. Further, they also started home delivery of essential items and groceries. It simplifies the buying process. You will be shocked to know PhonePe has digitalized 25 million small merchants and kirana stores, and it's quite a huge number. Second strategy is huge marketing and advertising budget. In 2020, PhonePe has 800 crore budget for capturing smaller business in smaller towns and for spreading awareness among customers. They have also signed up with famous Bollywood actor Alia Bhatt along with the existing brand ambassador Aamir Khan. Here the main goal is to get 100 million users every year until they get 500 million user base as per Samir Nigam. They have also started a campaign on insurance named Tension Chodo Insurance Law, demonstrates easy buying process for insurance on their platform. PhonePe is also heavily investing in IPL sponsorships. Huge budget had a great impact on user base. In December 2021, PhonePe has 350 million user base with 150 million active users, and the company added 15,700 merchants in smaller towns and villages, meaning 1 in 4 Indians uses PhonePe. In 2022, PhonePe has targeted 500 million users. Third strategy is launching the Switch feature. This feature can be defined as one-stop solution for all user needs. In this feature, PhonePe integrates with other merchants app in their app, which makes user life more easier. आपने PhonePe ऐप पे स्विच फीचर देखा होगा. इसमें डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स के ऐप के आइकॉन आपको दिखेंगे. जैसे आपको शॉपिंग करनी है तो आप महिंद्रा के आइकॉन के ऊपर जैसे ही क्लिक करोगे ना, आप डायरेक्टली उनके प्लेटफॉर्म पे चले जाओगे. दिस मेक्स PhonePe अ मल्टीटास्किंग ऐप. फिर भी आप सोच रहे होंगे जो बड़ी ब्रांड्स है जिनके एप्स PhonePe के साथ इंटीग्रेट हो रहे, उनको क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा? फर्स्ट बेनिफिट इज huge user base. Second benefit is lower cost, and third benefit is quality users. This is how PhonePe eliminate the competition. What do you think? Do share in a comment section. And for more such quality content, like, share and subscribe Fingyan channel.